Hello, my dear students. This is Sheetal Rajput from Easy Maths Inspiration. Students, today we will do how to represent a complex number in polar form. How to represent a complex number in polar form. Before I start with this topic, we must understand what is a polar form. Now class, see, if I have a complex number, z is equal to x plus iota y. This is known as Cartesian form. This is the Cartesian form of a complex number. And we can represent this complex number on Argand plane. Now, what is the Argand plane? Argand plane is a plane containing two perpendicular axes. This is called a real axis and this is called imaginary axis. As we were doing in Cartesian plane, x-axis or y-axis. So any complex number can be represented in Argand plane. Suppose this is x and suppose this distance is y. So you know that this point will be represented at xy. So we have represented here the complex number on the Argand plane with the help of these perpendicular distances. Distance on real axis and distance on इमेजिनरी एक्सिस. इसकी हेल्प से हमने आर्गेंड प्लेन पर इसको कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, सेम दिस पॉइंट कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस डिस्टेंस ऑल्सो. हम इसकी इस डिस्टेंस की फॉर्म में भी तो रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं इसको. इस एक्स वाई की फॉर्म में करना है तो आई नीड दिस एक्स और दिस वाई. अगर मुझे इस डिस्टेंस की फॉर्म में करना है तो आई वांट द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा ऑल्सो. Clear? And suppose this distance is what it will be equal to if you apply Pythagoras theorem. So this distance will be equal to root x square plus y square, isn't it? Let us suppose this is denoted by r and it is also the r is root x square plus y square. You can see with the help of Pythagoras theorem we can find out r, and this r you can say that it is also equal to modulus of a complex number z. Clear? So whenever we are representing a complex number in the terms of this r and this theta, we call it polar form. Now students, from here you can see in this triangle we can have cos theta is equal to x upon r, isn't it? So the value of x is r cos theta. Similarly, sin theta is equal to y upon r, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So y will be r sin theta. So this complex number which I have written is in Cartesian form. So if I put the value of x and y here, so if I put the value of x is equal to what? R cos theta, and y is equal to what? R sin theta. So this is called polar form. So for this polar form, we need the value of r as well as the value of theta. R is very simple. The value can calculate the value of r, which is equal to modulus of z. Or there is one more way if you want to prove this. You know x will be r cos theta, y will be r sin theta. Now if I do 1 square plus 2 square, the equation 1 का square plus equation 2 का square, you will have x square, r square cos square theta, y square r square sin square theta. And all of you must be knowing that sin square theta plus cos square theta will become 1. So again the value of r will be same. Clear students? So to represent this z in polar form, we need the value of r. First thing. Second thing, we know we want the value of this. ये थीटा की वैल्यू भी मुझे चाहिए. So for that, what should I do? As I told you, for the value of r, you need to find out the modulus, or you can do this method, 1 square plus 2 square. So for the value of theta, I am just writing over here. For the value of theta, what should I do? Listen here. If I divide equation 2 divide by equation 1, you will be having tan theta is equal to y upon x, and from here you can find out the value of theta. So if you find out the value of theta as well as value of r, you can write down a particular given Cartesian form in polar form. Let us take an example. Let us take an example. Listen class. If I have a complex number 1 plus iota, I want to represent it in polar form. I know that what is the polar form? 1 plus iota is equal to, you can say, r cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the polar form. So there are two methods. So if you prove the completely, you can do it. Compare real and imaginary part. Complex number are equal when their real and imaginary parts are equal. So if you want to find it out from here, you can do 1 square plus 2 square. It will be r square, because cos square theta plus sin square theta will be 1, and 1 plus 1 2, then r will be root 2. Secondly, we need to find out theta. So what you can do? Equation 2 divide by 1, it will be tan theta, that will be r will cancel out, that will be 1. And when is the value of tan theta is positive? Positive कब होती है value tan theta की? When theta is in first quadrant or theta is in third quadrant. Recall your trigonometry. So what should be the value of theta here? We will see the value only in first quadrant. Now reason is here. You see sin is also positive, cos is also positive, both are 1, and tan is also positive. This is possible only in first quadrant. Clear? Now let us change little bit of it. If I have this minus, it will be minus. Clear? So here you will getting root 2. Here also you are going to get 1. So but theta will be third quadrant. How? Tan is positive, but sin and cos both are negative. It happens only in third quadrant. So we have to see the value of angle in third quadrant. So in third quadrant, here we will take theta. Here this is pi minus, this is complete pi. Here don't take pi plus theta. Here you will take when, देखिए क्लास, व्हाट इज द पर्पस? पर्पस क्या है इस पोलर फॉर्म का? कि हमको पोलर फॉर्म में जो रिप्रेजेंट करना है, इस कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट करना है, यहाँ से एंगल बनाना है. तो जब हम कोई भी एंगल यहाँ बनाएंगे, सपोज यहाँ पर आपका कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है, तो आप ये वाला एंगल बनाएंगे, ना कि यहाँ से रिफ्लेक्स एंगल बना के लाएंगे. क्लियर? आप जब बी से एंगल बनाएंगे तो आप यहीं से तो एंगल बनाएंगे. इसीलिए इन केस ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर हम ट्रिगो के क्वाड्रेंट से थोड़ा अलग चलते हैं. एंगल इस तरह मेजर होता है और ये वाला एंगल इस तरीके से मेजर होता है. तो ये हमारा सिंपल थीटा होता है. यहाँ पर एंगल के लिए हम पाई माइनस थीटा करते हैं. हम आगे नहीं चल रहे हैं, इसमें एंगल रिवर्स हो रहे हैं. जब भी रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में एंगल जाते हैं, हम क्लॉकवाइज जाते हैं, तो एंगल नेगेटिव हो जाते हैं. इट विल बी माइनस थीटा, इट विल बी थीटा माइनस पाई. सो in third quadrant, I told you in third quadrant angle will be theta minus pi. Pi by 4 minus pi, that will be minus 3 pi by 4. So the polar form will be, what is the polar form? R, you know the value of R, that is root 2 cos minus 3 pi by 4 plus iota sine minus 3 pi by 4. Or you can write root 2 cos 3 pi by 4, because cos minus theta is cos theta. Iota sine 3 pi by 4. Actually this is the polar form. So what you need to understand here, first thing, the main thing, that is quadrant. Quadrant you will see with the help of the sign of sine, cos and tan. Here we have seen sine is negative, cos is negative, tan is positive. It happens only third quadrant. That is why we have taken the angle in third quadrant. And you have to remember these quadrant also. No, they are not difficult. ट्रिगो में हम केवल एंटी क्लॉकवाइज चलते हैं. इसमें ध्यान देना है हमें ऊपर के एंगल एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, नीचे वाले एंगल को हमने नेगेटिव ले लेना है. ठीक है. सो एंगल इज ऑल्सो क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू. सो एक तरीका. अब यहाँ पर बच्चे गलती क्या करते हैं, उनको क्वाड्रेंट देखने में पता नहीं क्यों गड़बड़ लगता है कि मैं भूल जाते हैं, जल्दीबाजी में गलती हो जाती है कौन सा पॉजिटिव कौन सा नेगेटिव. सो देयर इज वन मोर वे टू सी द क्वाड्रेंट. देखिए आपका जब इसको आर्गेंट प्लेन पर मैं रिप्रेजेंट करूंगी तो माइनस माइनस कहाँ आएगा. अगर इसको हम रियल एक्सिस को इमेजिनरी एक्सिस माने तो -1 इसी में तो आएगा. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट यू कैन सी इट फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो. So students, if you are having the shortage of time, let us take one more example. If you are having the shortage of time in the exam, you don't want to do the full, then you can do like this also. If suppose I am having this, so the polar form is r cos theta plus iota sin theta. So directly you can find out r, which is equal to modulus of z. We have done this, so it will be 1 plus 3, that is 2. And directly you can find out tan theta. We have done y upon x. यही आता है हमेशा हम डिवाइड करते हैं this upon this. So you can directly do minus root 3. And now you can see the quadrant here. Plus ये नंबर अगर रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे हम आर्गेंट प्लेन पे तो कहाँ आएगा, प्लस माइनस. दैट विल बी इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. So in fourth quadrant we take the angle minus theta. That will be minus pi by 3. So directly we can write down the polar form 2 cos minus pi by 3 plus iota sine minus pi by 3, and 2 cos pi by 3 sine minus theta is minus sine theta. So this is the way. अब स्टूडेंट्स इतना शॉर्टकट था. मैंने डिटेल में क्यों बताया कि इतनी डिटेल में करें. डिटेल में आने का यही पर्पस होता है बेटा, ताकि आपको पता चले कि r जो होता है मॉडुलस z के इक्वल ही आता है. हमने प्रूव भी किया था अभी. r इज इक्वल टू रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. ठीक है. तो एक बार हम डिटेल में हम कोई चीज़ कर लेते हैं तो हमें उसका डेप्थ कॉन्सेप्ट पता चलता है कि कंसेप्ट क्या है इसके पीछे. तो बोथ द मेथड्स आर करेक्ट. इफ यू डू इन एनी ऑफ द मेथड एग्जाम यू विल गेट योर फुल मार्क्स. एंड दिस इज द टॉपिक विच हैज़ बीन डिलीटेड फ्रॉम CBSE सिलेबस दिस ईयर ड्यू टू कोरोना. But you should know this topic. That is why I made the topic related to polar form of complex number. So goodbye for today. And if you like my video, please press the bell icon and like my video and share it also.